Welcome back to this channel, News Headlines in English to speak in the School Morning Assembly of today, means 22nd of August. National news: PM Modi to launch development projects worth 18,000 crore in Bihar and West Bengal today. Parliament passed Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025. NHAI clarified no user fee on two-wheelers on national highways. Railways to run 12K special trains during festival season to clear crowd. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh underlined pivotal role of IAF in country's space program. UIDAI partners with Starlink for seamless Aadhaar-based customer verification. Now, international news: Iran launched missile drill to showcase its naval capabilities amid regional tension. Saudi Arabia launched online pilgrimage visa and related services for international travelers. NASA discovered 29th moon of Uranus named S/2025 UR. Fiji Prime Minister Mr. Sitiveni Ligamada Rabuka to visit India for 3 days. Taiwan monitors 22 Chinese aircraft, 5 plane vessels in latest incursion. Now, sports news. Salima Tete retained as captain of Indian women's hockey team for Asia Cup 2025. Cinque Field Cup, world champion D. Gukesh held to a draw by lone wildcard. Khelo India Water Sports Festival in Jammu and Kashmir, 500 athletes from 36 states and United Territories to participate. Tapasya won India's first gold at Under-20 World Wrestling Championships 2025 in Bulgaria. Business-related news: SEBI plan to raise tenure and maturity for equity derivatives. EPFO recorded all-time high net addition of 21.89 lakh members in June 2025. CCPA fined Rapido 10 lakh rupees for misleading advertisements. 3 Japanese firms joined forces to build automobile trade corridor between India and Africa. And that's all in news. Thank you.